Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Spain.
Hello, I am Arda. I'm from Turkey. Hello, I'm Chilia. I'm 17. I'm from France.
Hello, I'm Jose, I'm 16 and I'm from Portugal.
I'm Leandro, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Portugal.
I'm Rika, I'm 16 years old and I'm from the Netherlands.
Hello, I'm Kanan, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Slovenia.
Hello, I'm Luigi, I'm 26 years old and I'm from Spain.
Hello, I'm from Spain. And together we are working on the project about recycling plastic bottles into 3D filament.
Hello everyone, right now I'm presenting and explaining what the project number 2 is all about. And basically, we have right here these two generators which we turn on at the beginning of the project. That will turn on this Arduino plug, and right here this screen. As you can see right here, it says right now no material and 24 centimeters of length and 114 degrees of temperature. But right here, this is the sensor that explains what appears in this screen. And if right now I pick up this block of wood and put it in front of it, as you can see, now it states that there's material present and there is 4 centimeters of length. Basically, the sensor detects at what distance of length there is from the sensor to the piece of wood. As you can see right now, if I begin to push it away, it will start to rise. And basically, now what we want to do right now is pick up a bit of plastic. These are plastic strings made from these bottles that we cut right here, and then we just pick up this. And basically, what we want to do is put inside of this. And also, for the project to work and for the motor to work, we need to have this piece of wood to be in place. As you can see, if I take it out, the light turns down, and the project, as you can see, it's turned on right now, but it doesn't spin. But if I put a piece of wood inside it starts to spin. And basically, what this project does is we'll put this string of plastic inside of this right now, and basically what it's going to do, it's going to start rolling around in it, and it's going to start spinning, and it's going to start thinning the strings of plastic and putting them together until it makes a material that is that we can use in 3D printers to make other things. Basically. And what this does to help recycling is basically, when you finish a bottle of water, normally you throw it away. And in this case, you can, for example, store the bottle and do what we have done and turn it into strings. And using this machine, you can turn the plastic from the bottles, reuse it, recycle it to make good material for the 3D printing, which is basically which is basically recycling, but with a more specific use and a more and it helps more when in terms of environment.